Hi guys, welcome to Joyoshare VidiKit channel. Today, I'll teach you how to record lecture in just few clicks. First you need to download Joyoshare VidiKit from official website. Click icon to activate it. Select record and screen record in the pop-up window. Switch to record video and audio mode and record your system audio and microphone according to your need. Press the gear icon to access recording settings. Here, you can alter storage location and format. Change codec quality to great as you want. You have the freedom to add watermark, schedule recording area and highlight cursor. Flick plus shaped icon to customize your recording area. Or choose standard parameter from the drop-down list by clicking triangle icon. After finishing your video settings, you can click Rec button to start recording. 3 options in the minimize toolbar enables you to stop, skip, cut unwanted content.
Order over here is 2.
After recording,
and the order
you can
over here
rename,
is
edit
just
and
1.
save your videos.
Fine. So that is how we consider the substitution nucleophilic.
So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and smash that like button. I'll see you next time.